Okay guys, so many people have reached out to me asking me to drop the tutorials on how I was able to achieve this type of video editing. Alright, so now let's get into tutorial. We import the recorded video. So let's assume we started from here. So let's see what you have. So this is me running from one end to the other slowly. Okay, so let's assume it's ending here. So you have to split and delete the unnecessary part. Then you delete the CapCut logo. So now let's see what we have. So this is what we have here. So what you have to do now is to go to the end of the video, then select the video, go to speed, see speed over here, go to speed, and then go to normal, select normal, then increase the speed 7.0. Okay, 7.0 is okay. Then what you have to do now is to go back, then you select the video, then go over to duplicate. So here is duplicate. You duplicate it into 3, then duplicate another one. So now the clip is now in 3 places. All right, so now you select this middle one, select the middle one, so select the middle one, then go over to revise. You select revise. All right, so now you have to wait so that it can load. So the reverse case has been applied in the middle one. So let's see what we have. Okay, so we have to make this thing move more faster. So I have to go to speed again, select 12.6. Okay, 12.6. Let's go. So let's see what we have.